thunderstorm warning for Cook County in north central Texas until 9:30 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located between Leo and Valley View, or 10 miles northwest of Sanger, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Munster around 8:50 p.m. Wednesday around 8:55 p.m. Gainesville around 9 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Valley View. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 483 and 503. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in